When it comes to animal testing, we work with the biggest players to make the biggest changes. As a result of our efforts, the Environmental Protection Agency recently committed to end all tests on mammals by 2035 and work toward ending all animal tests. We have also built a powerful coalition, including some of the biggest drug makers in the world, to pressure the Food and Drug Administration to end drug testing on all animals.
It is not enough to end animal testing within the US alone. That is why we're working to make non-animal methods standard in all nations. PCRM leads a consortium of scientists within the Organization of Economic Cooperation and Development. That group lobbies to end animal tests worldwide. We're also inspiring scientists, teaching them how to advance science without harming animals.
That's great, Esther. And at a time when antibodies are developed in cruel ways using animals, we are proving that you can make antibodies in the lab with no animals at all. The results are more predictable and put a stop to a terribly cruel practice. Human-derived antibodies are the future of research, and we are pushing development, adoption, and acceptance by the scientific community.
We built a coalition that ended the use of chimpanzees in experiments forever. And now that the world knows chimpanzees are not needed for medical research, it's even harder to argue that animals more genetically distant from us, like dogs, cats, and mice, should still be used in experiments.
That's right, Ryan. The science is clear. We can study human genes, human cells, the human brain, even human behavior using modern computational and imaging technologies. And it can even give us quicker, more effective results to address Alzheimer's disease and dramatically improve other aspects of human brain health too.
There was a time when virtually every medical student had to experiment on a perfectly healthy dog, who was then killed. No longer. As a result of our campaigns, PCRM has ended the use of animals for student training in every medical school in the United States and Canada. We've done the same with pediatrics residencies, and we won't stop there. This year, we turned our focus to general surgery residency programs, and the victories are coming fast. The University of Virginia, Medical College of Georgia, Cleveland Clinic, and Spectrum Health have already ended animal use. We will not stop until we shut down these cruel practices in every single training area where animals are abused, because they don't need to suffer and die to train healthcare providers.